Started out riding man with the geeks, with each and then one time you pop out the cheek. All of them times my bad is still ain't listen what's living, but talk me the ways they get. Don't need me a pot, I can run away with me. They bang the high feet just like a preacher. Went from that hill to the spot, now we living, still running they mouth, they gon' die about them bitches. They bitches and most of them not from the trenches. Come to my block, come and see how we living. We chillin' with blocks and I got extensions. Move to the north, cause I seen they was winning. Go ask somebody, got a spot, had it spinning. Hey, whip a bottle, the clutch in the ceiling was robbing. He don't give it up, then we kill him. One-legged partner, 5K, he a killer. Came back from the dead, bitch, I'm feeling like Thriller. I asked her hoe, bitch, she know I'm that nigga. She came through the circle, just know she a spiller. She'll swallow it out for a pill of some liquor. Having our way, could retire, strip, but instead by the BBL, got to be still. A fuck nigga play, he getting found in the river. A diamond stars, they so cold, make me shit. I been pouring up drink, know it's hurting my liver. Shit, that's the cost to keep saving for these niggas. He say